Welcome to my channel once more. So today I'm going to be doing some Jamaican breakfast, which consists of some breadfruit with sausage and baked bean. So stay tuned. Alright, so these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. This is roast breadfruit that I'm going to be frying. This is the sausage that I'm going to be using. And I have pre-diced up some tomatoes, some bell peppers, and onion. And I'm going to be trying out this barbecue baked bean, and of course gonna add some black pepper to the sausage. I may use a bit of salt, it depends on after I taste it if it requires salt.